All right, today on Restless Iron, we have the Central Machinery 3.5 cubic feet cement mixer. But we're not just going to use that for mixing cement. Nope, we have, I believe we're going to use that for, Vern, what are you doing over there?
Stop.
It's a little camera shot, this is the first time. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use this cement mixer for a parts cleaner here in the welding shop. A buddy of mine, he brought his over, and we kind of tried out the idea, and it worked pretty good. He needed it back at his house, so there was a sale at Harbor Freight this week. It was $80 off, and made it around 160 bucks. So we made the jump, and we brought it here. So without further ado, let's get started. Of course, yep. Be safe. Plug it into anything that's not supposed to plug into. Right, and we'll start with assembly. We are using the Icon wobbles, extension, wobble, knuckle, whatever. Pretty great. Pretty great. Whatever. We're gonna start back in on this, and hopefully it goes a little smoother than this time. Hold tight.
Desk is sealed around here. What's this? Oh, that's the zipper. There you have it.
There it is. A couple things. It did not go together just super quickly because the instructions are missing a little bit. But just you just go with it. Just start figuring stuff out, and you'll be able to get it done, just like about any other job you come across. We're gonna get some media in here and turn it on again and see how it mixes up, and we'll go from there. So hold tight. All right, there's a little bit of the old walnut hull media that I used in the last one. Well, sounds like there's even a couple pieces of concrete in there. From the old one. Sure enough, they'll work to bust the slag off, so not a problem. Yeah.
Yep.
Since we,
That's what it is.
we just shred that thing.
I hope not. Did you hit that?
Yep. We have shredded that key. Up. Take some, that one's a brand new one. Take some old horseshoes. See if they'll clean up. Well, that right there is kind of what we were planning on doing with this machine here. We're just gonna throw pieces out of the little pieces that we cut off there in the plasma with the plasma torch, and with the grinding wheel, little stuff. We're just gonna toss it in here, kind of set and forget it sort of deal. That's pretty much it. Kind of a pain, like I said, to put together. It definitely helps to have another set of hands doing this. It's, if you want it to hold water, you're gonna need some gasket sealer. That is not included. But since I'm not doing anything holding water right now, just using it as a kind of a parts cleaner, knock slag off and stuff. I don't really need that, so this works just fine for me. We'll keep you posted on how she does, maybe in a month, and we'll revisit it again. But I appreciate you guys hanging in there with us with Restless Iron, and we'll talk to you later.